Guys, in this video, we will learn how to add email verification in Laravel application. So there is a few steps to done that. So you can see that I already downloaded fresh Laravel application, okay, and also configure the database. So if I go here, you can see that, okay, I already run the migration and I also installed the Laravel UI. So there is a by default registration, login and home page already set up there. So if you don't know how to install Laravel UI, then I already captured the video. If you scroll down here, authenticated using Bootstrap 5, so you can see that, okay. So now what we will do, so if I go here and if I register with the email and click on register, that should be first go to the email and the user need to must verify the email address, okay. So what you need to do, so first if I go here into the user model, if I go here, there is you can see the must verify email. There is already commented code, so we just need to uncomment, and here I will say implements and must verify email, okay. And then next what we need to do, we need to do the configure of the email, okay, email provider, the configuration. So I will use my Gmail configuration that already I have set up. So I will copy and paste over here and save it. If you don't know how to generate the SMTP configuration in Gmail, then I already captured the video. So if you scroll up, you can see that send email using Gmail account. So there is already giving the full instruction over there, okay. So now what I will do, simply go here and save it and register, okay. So if I go here and I will say simply Hardik, and I will use my email address at the rate gmail.com and 2345678 2345678 and hit submit. You can see there is an error, verification dot verify route is not defined in Laravel. So if I go here and simply make it clear, and I will say PHP artisan route list, okay, and hit enter, you can see that there is a no verification route in the system, okay. So what we need to do, simply go here into the web.php, and here is the route. That means by default Laravel UI defined. Here we just simply need to do like verify equal to true. Simply save it and let me clear and let me run again the list command, and you can see that there is a email send, email verification, and by default that already created. You can see that verify controller. So if I go here into the controller, there is already defined the controller. Now what we need to do, simply go here and hit refresh into the users. They're already registered, so let me delete it, okay. And now if I go here and register it again, so let me run it again, the application php artisan serve and refresh, okay. And I will say Hardik Savani HD at the rate gmail.com, and I will simply say 123456789, okay, and hit register. It will take time to sending email and redirecting back, okay. So if I redirect, you can see that you are logged in, but you can see that here is the mail I already received. You can see that verify email address. If I go here into the our database, you can see that name, email, and there is another column email underscore verified at, that means that not verified. But you can see that you still access the home URL even you haven't verified. So what you need to do, simply go here and add the middleware. So I will simply go here and I will add middleware, okay, and I will simply define verified, okay, save it, okay. And now if I go and refresh it, you can see that it's redirect me on email verified. So that's message say, before proceeding please check your email verification link. If you haven't received, for example you didn't receive, then you can click here and you can send again. So if I click over here, it will send again to the same user, okay. So you can see that a fresh verification link has been sent. So if I go here, you can see that I received again, and you can see that it looks great and with the email. And here is the simple button, verify email address. Without email verification you cannot access your account. So once you click on it, you can see that you access the home page now again, and with the verified, you can see here, if I refresh it, you can see that the when you verified your account, so that also added the timestamp over here. So I hope guys you understand how simply you can do that. Laravel already provide the documentation, so you can also do it manually and customization over there. Okay, so you can see that verified middleware, and you can see that this is the by default Laravel sending the email with the subject and line, so you can modify it as well. Okay, so I hope guys you understand this video, and if you like my video then please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching guys.